In this video, you'll learn how to schedule an email in Levitate so you can stay consistent without having to send messages manually every time. Starting on the Levitate dashboard, we're going to head over to Campaigns, making sure that we're in the Email tab. You can either select an email template from our library, or you can create your own campaign using AI or writing it from scratch yourself. We are going to pick this lighthearted spring check-in. So once you pull up the email template in our campaign library, you can further customize it yourself. You can use our AI to change the voice, make it sound a little bit more like you, or you can save and send it as is. So once we're happy with the template that we want to send out, you can select tags from the side if you wanted to do a group campaign send. Let's say I want to add this tag Client A. I'm going to select the tag, preview the recipients, and all the recipients and contacts I have under this tag will populate here. Let's say I saw Alex last week and I want to add an extra personalization to the email that I'm sending him. It was great seeing you at the game last weekend. So then I can save and go back to all recipients. Everyone else is still going to get this original template that I picked out, but Alex is going to have a hyper-personalized one. You can do this for as many contacts as you'd like. Now we're going to go over to send options. And since we're scheduling this email, I'm going to schedule this next Monday. Just select 10 a.m. We can have it send as quickly as possible, or we can spread out over however many days we'd like. And then all you have to do is hit schedule and you're done. Here's a quick preview of what the email template looks like after it's been sent. As you can see, it looks and feels like a one-to-one personal email, not a newsletter. There's no unsubscribe or powered by Levitate. You'll have your own email signature populated down here at the bottom. Super quick and user-friendly way to get your content and your emails scheduled out ahead of time and staying personal and consistent with your communication throughout the year. For more tips and tricks like this and how to get the most out of Levitate, like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.